This is a audio lecture of BSc second year in Organic Chemistry, chapter Transition Elements. The elements lying between S and P block of periodic table that constitute a large block of elements are called transition elements. These elements have partly filled n-1 d orbital since last electron filled into d orbital, so they are called transition elements or d block elements. They show transitional behavior. Transition First topic, transition elements or d block elements. They are classified into four series: 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D, or 1, 2, 3, and 4 series. Each series has 10 elements, while 6D series has a present only one element, namely actinium. Z is equal to 89. The elements of IB group Cu, Ag, and Au should not be included in D block because of their filled d orbital, and zinc, cadmium, mercury are also have filled d orbitals except their formation of complex. These elements are much different from the properties of the next of the elements due to periodic classification. These elements show a wide applications such as in heavy industries, paint industries, catalytic use, building material, jewelry, items, coins, biologically active compounds such as hemoglobin, myoglobin, blue protein, synthetic oxygen carriers, vitamin B12 contain different transition elements. The elements of the group IIB, IVB, 5B, 16B, 17B, 18, and 19 belong to this block. Position of elements in periodic table. These D block elements are placed into four series of 10 elements in each, which are kept in fourth period, 3D series, fifth period, 4D series, sixth period, 5D series, and seventh period, 6D series in complete series. Fourth period, first transition series SC, Zn, Z atomic number is 21 to 30. Fifth period, second transition series atomic number 39 to 47. Sixth period, third transition series atomic number 57 to 80. Seventh period, fourth transition series atomic number 89 to 112. General characteristic of D block elements. First, all transition metals are hard except for group 11 copper family and have high melting and boiling point. Nearly 10 transition elements have melting point above 2000 degrees Celsius, and 3 elements Ta, W, and Re have melting point above 3000 degrees Celsius. Second, they are hard, strong, refractory, and electropositive. The transition elements all have high densities.